Chandler Fire Health and Medical Department and the Phoenix VA have entered into a pilot program to enhance health services to our veteran population here in Chandler. We do that by identifying, coordinating, and connecting our veterans to healthcare services administered both by Chandler Fire Health and Medical Department and the Phoenix VA.
I think this is going to turn out to be an enormous program for veterans. I think it's going to be a tremendous credit to the city of Chandler and its fire department and the citizens of Chandler. We have a rich history with veterans in Chandler. There's over 10,000 of them here in the community today. We had Williams Air Force Base just down the road, and we still pass by that little site as we drive down Williams Field Road where it says, give an airman a lift to Williams Air Force Base.
Our first goal is to identify veterans within the city of Chandler. We do that through our 911 system, and so as our crews are responding on 911 calls, they are making contact with their patients, and one of the questions that they're asking them is if they are a veteran. If the patient is a veteran, they enter that information into a database through a computer tablet that they use on scene, and then that information goes back to our headquarters.
I'm calling you today because recently you accessed 911 and our crews came out and identified that you were a veteran. Is that true? Wonderful.
Once we receive information that we responded on a veteran, we take that information and we contact the veteran. We want to determine whether or not they have or are eligible for VA benefits. If they have benefits already, we coordinate with the VA an in-home visit with our community paramedics. These community paramedics will respond to the patient's home, and in their living room, they will connect the patient with nurse practitioners from the Phoenix VA to determine different solutions for whatever their health issues are. If the patient does not have VA services or any benefits, but they're eligible for them, we contact the Phoenix VA and we work with the benefits coordinator who will start to set up that process so that they receive the benefits that they're entitled.
The beauty of this program is it connects the provider, which is at the facility, and the patient at home through a new collaboration with the fire team, and that's an awesome program.
It'd be to realize I'm part of a bigger organization that is there to take care of my health problem.
We have had the healthcare and telehealth partners available with that technology for some time, and the big data components are now coming into play. So the next phase is implementing use of our technology, data, and now we have partners with the City of Chandler Fire Department to reach out to our veterans at their home.
Can you see him?
Some of our vets don't have any way of transporting themselves to the clinic or to the hospital, having been followed up after they've been to the emergency room or maybe discharged from the hospital or any needs that they might have.
Okay, so you have Ambien. When was the last time you took Ambien?
Did you say you took your Ambien 4 days ago, is that right?
Yes. Okay, so you don't take it
paramedics, their skills, they're awesome. So using that with us on the other end, we can both diagnose and make the decision appropriate for the patient, for the vet.
We can look at their history and look for some of the symptoms and things of different disease processes and just have a more hands-on approach than a nurse can get just by asking questions.
Our vision of this program is to enhance the level of health services to our veteran population in the city of Chandler. As a veteran myself, I can tell you I think that the fire department is well positioned to do this. We have many veterans that work on our staff. Our whole career is about service, and when you look at a veteran, they obviously served for a greater cause. They served this country, and so there's a natural match between the veterans and the fire department. This is something that we are extremely proud of. I can tell you that the firefighters within our department, this is one program that each one of them loves to talk about. It's something that is a point of pride for not only the fire department, but the city of Chandler. Our city is a very veteran-friendly city. It starts with our mayor and council through our city manager. We have multiple programs that we put out there for our veterans. And so this is just in keeping with the mission of the city. We found an opportunity to provide better services to our veterans.
You having shortness of breath, is that why you went to the hospital?
This is about connecting them to the people and the care that they need to receive. This partnership does that. So we're happy to be part of this program and providing that service to our veterans who richly deserve this.